Hi guys and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom kitchen. Today we are making peppered snails. Yes, I paired it with some turmeric fried yam and pepper. Come along. So it's a very simple recipe. Okay, I'll start by washing my snails. I'm trying to get rid of the slime completely. I'll be using lemon to do the washing for about 3 or 4 times until I'm satisfied with how it's looking. You can use salt as well, a lot of salt to get rid of the slime. It will take a few washes though, but you will get there. If this is your first time clicking on any of my videos, my name is Yasmi and this is my kitchen. You are welcome to subscribe to this channel, turn the notification bell on so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first people to know. I also want to encourage all of you watching to give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below when you are done watching and share also when you are done watching. And also to my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So like I said earlier, I gave my snails quite a number of washes, maybe about 5, to get rid of the slime completely. So this is the last wash. I'll take the camera off of here. And then on the side, I am heating some water to receive my snails. So I'm heating the water because I want the snails to remain crunchy after I'm done cooking them. Okay, so I'm going to add some salt into the water and put my snails in there. I'm going to allow it to boil over for about 7 minutes and then take it off the fire because I'll be cooking it further later on. So on the side, I also have here some pepper, onions, ginger, and garlic. Measure these ingredients according to your taste and how little or much pepper you like in your dishes. Okay, we don't eat too much pepper in my house, so this was enough. Now my snails are cooked. I'm going to be frying them in a bit of oil. The camera was not recording earlier. That's why you see that the snails have entered my oil, but I'm sure you get the drill. Okay, and then I've blended my ingredients I showed earlier. I'm going to go ahead and pour those ingredients over my snails and then give this a good mix. So what I'm going to allow to do is to allow the snails continue cooking. Okay, like I said earlier, I didn't cook the snails completely till they were very well cooked. Okay, so I'm going to allow it to cook in the peppered sauce if you like for a bit, but I'll go ahead and continue stirring from time to time. So I went into the pot for about 4 times during the whole cooking process and it took about 15 minutes. So regulate your fire according to how many snails or how much snails you're cooking. Okay, I had small quantity. Okay, so I didn't have to do this on high heat. This was on low heat. I was cooking it, and then as you saw earlier, I added in some shrimp tablets. Whatever seasoning you want to add at this point, please go ahead and add it in. My sauce is a bit still watery, so I'm going to allow it to continue cooking till it's almost dried up. By that time, it would have really penetrated into the snails and then given it a very nice peppery or spicy flavor and taste. Okay. With this process, I am steaming and frying the snails at the same time. So they will not become too soft that when you bite into them, you don't really feel the taste. But when you bite into snails such as these that are cooked like this, you're going to have a little bit of a crunch in there. But trust me, it is well done. Okay. At this point, I like what I'm seeing. I'm going to go ahead and add in some chopped green pepper. You can add in any vegetables of your choice, but I had bell peppers on hand. That's what I used at this point. And then I'm going to go ahead, turn off the fire because I don't want the vegetables to cook, okay? The residual heat will soften them up just a bit. And then I'll go in with some scallions. And at this point, my yam was fried. So to be honest, I made this for my husband. And he was standing on my neck to eat. So yeah, there goes. He really enjoyed it alone, if I may say so. Be sure to give this recipe a try and let me know how much you enjoyed it. And until then, keep blooming.